Chapter 2.2, example number 6, covers solving rational equations with a binomial in the denominator. So for part A, we have 3 over x minus 6 equals 5 over x. And we can solve this two ways. One way would be to find the least common denominator, which would be the product x minus 6 times x. Or because we just have one term on one side and another term on the right side, we can cross multiply, which would be the faster, easier way for this kind of problem. So to do that, we would multiply 3 times the denominator on the right side, which would be x, and then we would multiply the 5 by the x minus 6 from the left side. And then from here we can just simplify everything. 3x equals 5x minus 30, the distributive property in here, and then subtract 5x from both sides. So we get negative 2x equals negative 30, then x equals 15. Then part B is going to be a little more complicated because we have more than one term on the right side. So how we do this one is we look for the least common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 2 times x minus 3, because that's what all of them have. So then we have to multiply everything by 2 times x minus 3. We start with the very first term right here. Times x over x minus 3, and then equals 5x minus 3 times 2 times x minus 3 minus 1/2 times 2 times x minus 3. Okay, then from here we're going to look at what we can cancel out. So if we have a x minus 3 on the top and an x minus 3 on the bottom, that can cancel out. And then same with this term right here. And then we have a 2 on the bottom and a 2 on the top, so we can cancel all that out. So now we're left with 2 times x equals 5 times 2, this is 10, minus this x minus 3. And then again from here we just simplify. So we have 2x equals 10, distribute this negative, minus x plus 3. Then we do 2x equals 13 minus x. Let's add x on both sides. And then we have 3x equals 13. Then x equals 13 over 3. Okay, then part C is going to be done just like part B because it's not simple like part A, where it just has one term on each side. So in this case, for part C, the LCD is going to be 2 times x minus 2. So we're going to multiply everything, every term, by this 2 times x minus 2. Okay, and then just like before, we're going to see what we can cancel out. So we have an x minus 2 on the top and the bottom here, x minus 2 on the top and the bottom here, and then a 2 on the top and the bottom here. And then we're going to simplify. So we're left with 2x for the first term, then equals 10, 5 times 2, and then minus this x minus 2. And then we're going to simplify and solve for x. We distribute the negative here. Then we have 2x equals 12 minus x. And then we add x on both sides. 3x equals 12, so x equals 4.